YouTube channel. In this tutorial we're going to talk about Python. Well, this time I made a simple application that can collect links on a website. We call link scraper with Selenium Python. Yes, the goal are varied. For example, maybe you want to know how many elements text then have links, or just want to check whether the link can be visited or not. Okay, before we start, we need to prepare is first we need VSCODE used to read code, but you don't have to use VSCODE, but if prepare you to use VSCODE. If you're googling in this, maybe I include it in this in the description. And second is a Python. Uh, of course, the programming language that was in this tutorial, but I'm not demonstrate how to install this Python. You can download based on your operating system. And then Selenium, this is a main core of this tutorial. You can Google Selenium and click this, and then we going to detail. Where is the detail? Okay, about, maybe there, read more. Sorry, not here. Detail. Okay, in documentation, maybe. Documentation, in the overview, we're looking for detail. Sorry, I'm looking for detail. Maybe you can watch it later, but we're going to use this application. So next, after this three part have been installed, we will proceed to coding. Firstly, I'm create a work chart as follow. This first we scrape all text, and then we get link on the text. We do a looping for the links, and we check the link is available or not. So we can start code here. Sorry, okay, I need a file, a Python. We name scrape Python. Okay, first we need to, what do we need? A website target website that we determine what website to use here. And then go back to code, and then first we need to import Selenium from Selenium, import WebDriver. So the WebDriver explain, you can go to Selenium here, here WebDriver that we use. In this case I'm use Chrome. Okay, Chrome. And then we need to driver import by explain is this later, and then import time. We also need import the request. So guys, Okay, we use hashtag. um, in this case I'm using WebDriver, Chrome. Okay, and we need to maximize the WebDriver. Okay, in this time we need to get a target web. I'm using this jetorbit.com. Okay, driver get. Okay, we start. Sorry, there's something in this. Oh, my bad. In here. Okay. Okay, we wait. It's work. We close first. Sorry, we back to chart. First we scrap alt tag, get link on the tag. Okay, the second attack. That's why we use by. Uncomment it by tag name. We're going to a tag, save. Okay, try to print. It's open and maximize. This is the result of attack. Close this. First we need to clean the data. Okay, clean data. Add a function. Need a function. Clean list maybe. Oh, sorry. We need to use unique link. And then we get this. Okay, we don't clean data. For unique, and the second function we need to clean the data, and I'm clean this. Feel free to name your function. Okay, here we use a loop. We get the attribute of herb in a tag. If you spec element, maybe one of the tag is here. Sorry, maybe this. We get this link. Okay. And we return this, return data list. Okay, it's done. We need to get clean data here. Okay, we try to print first clean data, and we try to run this. We clear this first. Running. Okay, this a unique, sorry, I mean this a clean links, and then we need to clear ununique data. First we use the same variable. Okay, we try to print first. We check the data and then run. Go back here. Okay, no unique data. We try again. It's not printable, it's okay. We forgot to